Hey folks, Dan here with a quick how-to guide on this Mr. Muscle Drain Gel, which destroys the worst clogs. Currently we are at my bath in my bathroom because that hasn't been cleaned for a while and it needed to be. So I have just used this and I'll tell you what, it's worked an absolute treat. So I'm really pleased with it. Thought I would do a quick visual how-to guide for you. Okay, the instructions are right here on the back. Okay, 3 steps, that's it. Okay, step 1, pour the product 500 ml. Okay, so we can see at the bottom it is a 500 ml bottle, so it is telling you to pour the entire bottle into the drain. It is a safety cap on top, so push down and twist. Okay, you could potentially use half a bottle if you wanted to be more conservative and see how it goes, but it suggests you use the entire bottle. After that, step 2, wait for 5 minutes. What it should say is at least 5 minutes because it does say underneath, for tougher clogs, leave longer. So it doesn't give you a max time frame, so you need to use a little bit of judgment. I think I actually left it for about 8 or 9 minutes just to make sure it did its stuff whilst I made myself a cup of tea. And then I came back and moved on to step 3, which is to run the drain with hot water. Now, whether you want to do that with a tap or a shower, I don't think it really matters. Just whack the heat up to full so it's nice and hot. Just leave that for a few minutes to wash away any remaining gunk, gel, whatever, down that plug hole. Okay, and after that, turn it all off and jobs are good and all sorted. Mine was absolutely perfect. I was really pleased, hence I'm making this video. It does say that if you need to repeat up to 1 times, it does specifically say only up to 1 times, don't know why. But I guess you just repeat steps 1 to 3 again with a fresh bottle if needed. The rest of the text in here is just kind of warning and other information of a detail. The instructions are literally those 3 steps. That's how easy it is. Happy days. Work to treat. Mr. Muscle Drain Gel.